What's up, Buttercups? Hope you guys are having an amazingly golden day with chairs on top. My name is Elvis and you're watching The Golden Drive. So, if you guys know the Genesis, that is my 2009 Hyundai Genesis sedan. And it is a mess. We got it from auction and it had the words "Whole" written on the hood and "Whole" written on the back. So I guess the previous owner probably did some cheating, which is bad, but we've sanded that down and I've been postponing that. I tried to use a what's it called, a touch-up body filler, or sorry, touch-up paints, but that didn't work. That was a disaster. And so today we're going to be respraying this, not today, but we're going to be getting this ready for paint because we're going to be changing the whole color of the car. I mean, it's still going to be gray, but I just want to sand down the whole car just so it's a clean base to spray the new paint on it. And yeah, so I'm excited. I'm honestly not looking forward to it because I hate sanding, because I also did my 2000 or what am I saying, 1982 Datsun 280ZX, and this was rattle can, but I'm going to actually use a professional spray paint gun on this, and so I've leveled up a little. But still, I hate sanding because it takes forever and it sucks. I have my orbital sander, it's like right there, and so I am going to be using like 320 grit first, sanding everything down, probably increasing the grit from there, and then probably hand sanding some areas. And yeah, I'm probably also going to be repainting the wheels as well, and hopefully this should look a little bit better. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Let's get started. What's up, Buttercups? Hope you guys are having an amazingly golden day. This is quite a bit later, but ta-da! The car is completely done. It is completely painted, and it looks so good. Oof. If you would notice, the wheels are also painted, like I said earlier, but I did not. What's it called? I did not film that because I completely forgot to. But ooh, just look at it. Would you just look at it? Oh, it looks so good. The color kind of looks like a Nardo gray, actually. It's like it has a little hint of blue, but it's a Nardo gray-ish color. And I just love the black accent. So I'm just gonna take you guys around what exactly I did to make this car look as amazing as it does. So I sprayed, I think 3 coats of the paint, the cheap, I think it was like $50 paint from like Home Depot. 2 coats of the clear coat and hardener. Put it on top, and it looks so good. It's kind of wet now, so yeah, it doesn't really show how amazing the paint is. But I also masked off some parts like the front grille, so I painted those black. I painted the bottom as well black again, and I also masked off the mirrors as well and painted them black, so it looks awesome. And I also did all the trim that were silver. All those were silver before. Painted all of that black. I was gonna do the door handles, but I decided not to do it. And yeah, so I also deleted the rear, the logos. I sanded all of those down, and I put this glorious Genesis logo, and I just think it looks great. And again, I took off all the wheels and spray painted them black, and again, I just think it looks so good. Oh, and yeah, it came out a lot better than I thought, a lot better than I expected. I just think it makes the car look so much better. There's no more hole. This is still gonna remain the Homemobile. If you guys know the history of the Homemobile, you guys can go watch it. Even though it doesn't say Ho on the hood and on the trunk anymore, but it's still the Homemobile to all of us. So yeah, and ta-da! I've also painted this thing over a month ago, and so far no paint has fallen up, no paint has chipped off, which is good. All my repair work to the front bumper paid off. It looks amazing now. Also, I almost forgot about this, but I also did the headlights too, because if you remember before, they were all cloudy and gross, and just yeah, so I painted them, and you see they look pretty much brand new right now. And same thing with the fog lights too. Also painted those just with clear coat. So I sanded them down, wet sanded them down, and yeah, just sprayed them down with clear coat, and now they look so nice. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you all so much for watching this golden video. And yeah, I think total I had to buy the air compressor and had to buy the spray gun, but totally just the paint alone was about, I think, $25 actually. The air compressor, I got it on sale, was like $200 and something. The spray gun itself was like all in all with the cups, mixing cups, were like $30. So I think I've spent less than $500 on this. Actually, less than $500 on the whole paint job plus air compressor, and I still have my air compressor, so I can use that for spray painting future projects, which I'm so pumped about. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I am so excited with how this turned out. It's not perfect, there are little imperfections, but for the most part, it looks great. And that's pretty much it. Have an amazingly golden day. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and yeah, I will see you guys on the next golden drive. Okay.